Welcome to ZenInbox, where your emails work smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll show you an overview of the automation feature and how you can use pre-built templates to simplify your workflow. To get started, navigate to the Automation tab on the left menu. Here, you'll find options to create new workflows or browse pre-built templates tailored for common use cases. Click on Browse Templates to explore ready-made automation workflows that can be customized to meet your needs. For this demonstration, we'll select the template titled Mark Incoming Emails as Priority. Templates are fully customizable. Start by selecting the mailbox you want this rule to apply to. Click on Save. Next, choose the priority level for incoming emails, such as urgent or high. Once you've made your changes, click on Create Workflow. Your automation is now active and will handle emails based on the rules you've set. You can manage all your workflows from the automation dashboard. Here, you can see the status of each rule, edit them, or disable any workflow temporarily by clicking on the status toggle. Disabling a workflow is as simple as a click, allowing you to pause automation when it's not needed. To test your automation, navigate to the conversation window. Here, you can see all your incoming emails. Based on the automation rule, new emails will automatically be marked according to the priority you set. You can also verify your automation by going to the Priority tab. Select the priority level you set in your workflow, and all relevant emails will be displayed there. That's a quick overview of ZenInbox's automation feature and pre-built templates. Stay tuned for more videos on advanced automation setups and tips to optimize your inbox.